Hey, what's up, students? Here we go. Let's finish things off. Problem number 3 on page 47. Then let's complete the got it questions. Okay, so we are distributing a -1, um, even though we don't see the -1. If you see a minus sign in front of a group, that whole group is being subtracted. So it's like subtracting a 2y and subtracting a -3x. So basically, I think of it as you make the first thing opposite, and then you make every operation opposite. Okay, so let's go ahead and attack these. Oh, what did I do? I didn't do that. Nope, go back. There we go. Gotcha. All right, so watch this. I'm going to type what I got here. I have a negative bracket a and then a plus 5. Okay, so let's put you right there. All right, so here's what I think in my brain. Negative a, okay, and then minus 5. Done. I win. That is literally it. So what I did in my brain, I suppose if I could show you what I did, I thought of it as a -1 times a plus 5. So this -1 multiplies the a and makes it negative, and then a -1 times a positive 5 makes a -5. So that, but I just use my shortcut. So I think this, but I just say, oh, you become opposite, and then so do you. So the first thing becomes opposite, and then every operation switches. That's it. Switch it, switch it. That's about it. All right. So let's do the next one here. I'm going to copy and paste you just to save some time. Okay, so you're actually a negative, ooh, wow, getting fancy pants here. Negative x plus a 31. Okay, copy paste. Actually, this is not too bad. If I just copy and paste this way, I'll just do the answer right here. All right, so a negative x would be a positive x. Okay, I guess probably go equal sign. There we go. Equals. Let's make it look a little better. There we go. So a negative x would be a positive x, and then a negative positive 31 is just a minus 31. Again, follow my rules. Make the first one opposite, and then make every operation opposite. So the opposite of a negative x is a positive x, and the opposite of plus is a minus. I'm done. That's it. I don't need the bracket. There we go. Cool. Look at that. All done. Okay, next one. This one goes pretty fast. Not a ton of thinking involved here. 4x, and then it's a -12. So stay on your toes, friends. Again, when you see a negative, just a minus sign, it looks like it's kind of tricky because it just looks like a minus sign. It looks like a minus sign, but it actually is a negative group, opposite group. So make the group itself opposite. Okay, so you're going to equal a, well, -4. That was easy. And then a positive 12. Look what I'm doing. I'm copying and pasting, and I'm just following my little trick. Switch, 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 switch. I'm all done. Okay, last one. It's a pretty slick rule. That's the beautiful thing about math. It's, sometimes people get lost in the operations and all the trickery, but if you just follow a couple of simple rules, a couple of tricks, you just make the math tricks yourself. It's not really a lot of thinking. You just kind of follow the rules that you've made for yourself, right? Things get pretty simple when you just follow the rules. Really no thinking involved. Well, how much do I want to do this? How much do I not want to do it? Just don't involve your feelings. Just follow the rules. Easy stuff. Okay, negative, positive, done. Oh, get rid of that bracket. I don't need you. Go away. There you go. That's it. Look at that. Okay, make you opposite, and then switch the operation. That's it. I'm all done. Subtracting this group would be the same thing as subtracting a 6 and then adding a 9. Sorry, 6m. And then 9n. Okay, cool. That's it. I'm done. All right. That is problem number 3, distributing a negative. You just make the group opposite. If you're subtracting the group, that's the same thing as making the group opposite. All right, cool. I'm done.